Hi friends, I am C.L. Pawar, physics teacher. Now we have started the topic magnetic material. In this topic, today we have to discuss some definitions. Magnetization, magnetic intensity, magnetic permeability, magnetic susceptibility, and magnetic induction. So these are definitions we have to discuss today. Now first, magnetization or intensity of magnetization denoted by M. Now what is this magnetization? It is degree to which substance is magnetized, placed in magnetic field. When substance is placed in magnetic field, that substance is magnetized, and this degree is called magnetization. Or the another definition, that is net magnetic dipole moment per unit volume, is called magnetization of sample. Net magnetic dipole moment. When we consider dipole moment, this dipole moment of each atom is there. When we consider substance as a whole, then net magnetic dipole moment is there. Dipole moment is vector quantity. Therefore, these vectors adding, we get the net dipole moment, and this net dipole moment per unit volume is magnetization or intensity of magnetization. It is vector quantity, and SI unit is ampere meter. This magnetic dipole moment, SI unit is ampere meter square. Volume, SI unit is meter cube. Hence, the final unit is ampere per meter. So this is magnetization. Now second, magnetic intensity or intensity of magnetizing field. Intensity of magnetizing field. Notice this magnetic intensity. It is degree to which magnetic field can magnetize a substance. Magnetizing field that magnetizes substance, and this degree is called intensity of magnetizing field or magnetic intensity. Or another definition, that is strength of magnetic field at a point can be given in terms of vector quantity. How much strength is there, that can be measured in terms of this quantity called intensity of magnetizing field or magnetic intensity. So this magnetizing field intensity H is equal to B divided by mu. B magnetic induction, mu that is constant, that is permeability of medium. SI unit is ampere per meter. This H is equal to Ni, N number of turns per unit length, and I, that is current. So this is the second definition, magnetic intensity किंवा intensity of magnetizing field. तीसरी definition है magnetic permeability denoted by mu. तो ही permeability म्हणजे काय? It is degree to which magnetic lines of force can enter a substance. Magnetic lines of force can enter the substance. And this degree is called magnetic permeability, denoted by mu. Or the another definition, it is characteristic of medium which allows magnetic flux through it. It is characteristic of medium which allows the magnetic flux through it. This property, this characteristic is magnetic permeability, denoted by mu. Then another constant, magnetic susceptibility. Magnetic susceptibility, denoted by this notation psi. Now what is this magnetic susceptibility? It is the property of a substance. It is the property of a substance which shows how easily substance can be magnetized. How easily substance can be magnetized. This property is called magnetic susceptibility. Or in another way, another definition, it is the ratio. The susceptibility is the ratio of magnetization to magnetic intensity. Magnetization to magnetic intensity, that is psi is equal to m divided by h. Now this psi is scalar quantity. It has no unit, no dimensions. So these are the definitions. First we have seen magnetization. Second, magnetic intensity. Third, magnetic permeability. Fourth, magnetic susceptibility. Now this susceptibility and this relative permeability, mu r, that is relative permeability, we have to discuss the next article. That time we discuss this part. Relative permeability is equal to 1 plus psi. This is the relative permeability in terms of susceptibility. Now another definition, magnetic induction. This magnetic induction denoted by B. Now what is magnetic induction? The number of magnetic lines of induction passing normally through unit area is called magnetic induction. Number of magnetic lines passing through unit area. So here B is equal to pi, that is number of magnetic lines of induction, divided by area A. So pi divided by A, that is magnetic induction. SI unit is Weber per meter square or Tesla. And dimensions of this magnetic induction are L raised to 0, M raised to 1, T raised to minus 2, I raised to minus 1. These are the dimensions of this magnetic induction. Now another part we have to discuss here, that is magnetization of ferromagnetic material. Now we have to consider solenoid. When current is passed through the solenoid, the magnetic field is produced along the axis of solenoid. This magnetic induction is given by B0 is equal to mu0 Ni, where mu0 permeability of free space, N, that is number of turns per unit length, and I, electric current. When iron rod is not present in solenoid, then this is magnetic induction. Now we introduce iron rod in solenoid. That rod affects the magnetic induction. Total magnetic induction when iron rod is present is given by B is equal to V0 plus Bm. This is equation number 2. Where this Bm, magnetic field by iron core, and this is proportional to permeability of free space. Therefore, Bm is equal to mu0 m. Mu0 permeability of free space, m magnetization. Therefore, Bm is equal to mu0 m. So this total magnetic field B बरोबर mu0 Ni, the value of B0 plus Bm, the value of Bm, here mu0 into m, mu0 permeability of free space and m magnetization. Therefore, plus mu0 m. This is equation number 4. Now, put Ni, number of turns per unit length, into current, that is equal to H. H is intensity of magnetic field. Then this equation becomes B is equal to mu0 bracket Ni, instead of Ni we write H, bracket H plus m. This is equation number 5. This magnetic field B depends upon intensity of magnetization and this magnetic intensity, that is here H and m. So this B depends upon H and m. H is not too strong. H is not too strong and m is proportional to H. Then this magnetization and this magnetic intensity, that is related with the help of this susceptibility. Therefore, this susceptibility we have taken here, m by h. Hence, m is equal to psi h. Put this in equation 5. Then this equation 5 becomes B is equal to mu0 bracket h plus psi h. Mu0 into h common here, bracket 1 plus psi, bracket complete into h. That means B is equal to mu0 bracket 1 plus psi, bracket complete into h. This is equation number 7. So this factor 1 plus psi, mu0 1 plus psi, that is permeability of medium. So write in the, instead of mu0 1 plus psi, we write there mu. Then this equation becomes B is equal to mu h. This is final equation. Here B is equal to mu0. This 1 plus psi, this 1 plus psi is relative permeability. That is mu r. We have taken here relative permeability is equal to 1 plus psi. Instead of 1 plus psi, we write there mu r. Then B is equal to mu0 mu r h. This is equation number 8. But the product of mu0 mu r mu 0 mu r, that gives mu. So B is equal to mu h. This is the relation between magnetic field. This is magnetic field or magnetic induction, and h, that is intensity of magnetizing field. अशा प्रकारे हे आर्टिकल म्हणजे याच्यावरती प्रश्न विचारले जातात. डेफिनेशन्स. मॅग्नेटायझेशन म्हणजे ही डिग्री आहे टू विच सबस्टन्स कॅन मॅग्नेटाइज. एखादा सबस्टन्स आहे तो मॅग्नेटाइज करायचा असेल तर किती डिग्री लागते, त्या डिग्रीला या ठिकाणी काय दिलेलं आहे, मॅग्नेटायझेशन. किंवा दुसऱ्या प्रकारे दिलेले डायपोल मोमेंट पर युनिट व्हॉल्यूम. तरी तर मॅग्नेटिक इंटेन्सिटी तर काय पहा, इथं मॅग्नेटिक इंटेन्सिटी डिग्री टू विच मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड, इथं मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड त्या सबस्टन्सला मॅग्नेटाइज करतं. त्या फील्डची स्ट्रेंथ किती आहे त्याला म्हणायचं मॅग्नेटिक इंटेन्सिटी. स्ट्रेंथला मॅग्नेटिक इंटेन्सिटी दोन्हीमध्ये काय फरक आहे पहा. डिग्री टू विच सबस्टन्स, इथं जो सबस्टन्स आहे तो मॅग्नेटाइज होतो आणि इथं ते फील्ड जे आहे ते फील्ड त्याला मॅग्नेटाइज करतं. फील्डची स्ट्रेंथ मॅग्नेटिक इंटेन्सिटी, तो सबस्टन्स मॅग्नेटाइज होतो, ती जी प्रॉपर्टी आहे त्याला म्हणते मॅग्नेटायझेशन. इथं रिलेशन दिलेलं आहे h बरोबर b डिवाइडेड बाय म्यू. b म्हणजे मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन, म्यू म्हणजे परमेबिलिटी ऑफ मीडियम. मॅग्नेटिक परमेबिलिटी, मॅग्नेटिक परमेबिलिटी म्हणजे काय, ही डिग्री आहे टू विच मॅग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स कॅन एंटर द सबस्टन्स. मॅग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स किती एंटर होतात ती जी डिग्री आहे त्याला म्हणलेलं आहे मॅग्नेटिक परमेबिलिटी. तर मॅग्नेटिक ससेप्टिबिलिटी म्हणजे काय, इट इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सबस्टन्स, सबस्टन्सची प्रॉपर्टी which shows how easily substance can be magnetized. Substance can be magnetized. How easily that substance can be magnetized. This property of substance is called magnetic susceptibility. And magnetic induction, number of lines of induction passing normally through unit area, this is called magnetic induction, or that is flux density. Another name is magnetic flux density or magnetic induction. Therefore I divided by A, this is magnetic induction. SI unit Weber per meter square or Tesla. Dimensions L raised to 0, M raised to 1, T raised to -2, I raised to -1. तर यामध्ये दुसरा पार्ट विचारला जातो, मॅग्नेटायझेशन ऑफ फेरोमॅग्नेटिक सबस्टन्स. फेरोमॅग्नेटिक सबस्टन्सचं मॅग्नेटायझेशन कसं होईल. तर त्याच्यासाठी या ठिकाणी सॉलेनॉइड घेतलेला आहे किंवा टोराइड किंवा रोलँड रिंग, म्हणजे सोलेनॉइड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रिंग, दॅट इज कॉल्ड टोराइड. आणि त्या टोराइड मधून किंवा त्या सॉलेनॉइड मधून करंट पास केला तर त्याच्या एक्सिसला मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड तयार होतो. त्या मॅग्नेटिक फील्डची किंमत या सूत्रात दिलेली आहे म्यू 0 n I. n म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स पर युनिट लेंथ, I म्हणजे करंट, म्यू 0 परमेबिलिटी ऑफ फ्री स्पेस. आता त्या सॉलेनॉइड मध्ये आयर्न कोर इंट्रोड्यूस केलं तर त्याच्यामुळे आणखी त्या ठिकाणी मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड तयार होतं आणि टोटल मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड हे दिलेलं आहे B बरोबर BO प्लस BM. BO means magnetic field where there is no iron core, and BM magnetic field by iron core. But this BM is equal to mu 0 M. M is the magnetization. Mu 0 that is permeability of free space. ही किंमत यामध्ये ठेवली तर हे इक्वेशन झालं B बरोबर mu 0 M प्लस mu 0 M याच्यामध्ये म्यू 0 कॉमन घेतलं, ब्रॅकेटमध्ये h प्लस m आलं, पण m हे h च्या फॉर्ममध्ये या फॉर्म्युल्याने घेतलं ससेप्टिबिलिटीच्या डेफिनेशन वरून m psi h ची किंमत इथे ठेवली, यातून h कॉमन आलं, म्हणजे b बरोबर सूत्र आलं म्यू 0 ब्रॅकेट 1 प्लस i इंटू h, 1 प्लस psi that is relative permeability, आणि त्याच्या ऐवजी आपण हे दिलं आहे नोटेशन म्यू r, म्हणजे हे इक्वेशन झालं म्यू 0 म्यू r h, पण यांचा जो गुणाकार आहे म्यू 0 इंटू म्यू r that is mu which is permeability of medium, permeability of material, therefore b is equal to mu h. This is final expression.